FaceApp, what the heck is it? I'm going to talk about how to use it, what it's all about, where it came from, and what's going on with it. Stick around. What's going on? Welcome to Apps That Rule. I'm the Fantastic Joe. If you want to stay in the loop with tips, tricks, and how-tos on the best applications for your mobile device, then consider subscribing. Smash the bell while you're at it. That way you'll know when a new video drops. Alright, so the FaceApp, most of you probably already know what it is. Some of you probably don't. It's all good. It's a trend going on social media. Basically, it's an app you can go and download for iOS or Android. And what you do is you skim through and you can change your face, the look of your face, whether you want to be young or old. You can add hair, change your gender and stuff like that. The app basically uses AI on your photos that you have in your phone, and you can even add a smile or whatever if you're not smiling in your picture. A lot of times I don't do that for some reason, but it's pretty crazy how the AI works, and it changes things. And it makes you look older or younger. Who doesn't like that? Who doesn't enjoy stuff like that? Did you jump on the FaceApp trend? Let me know in the comments below. Just type hashtag yes or no. There's a ton of people taking Twitter by storm. I was checking out Twitter earlier and checking some tweets. There's a lot of jokes being talked about, especially some celebrities that are putting a lot of stuff out there. And it even goes to some politicians that I noticed that are even posting some funny stuff. Some of them are joking around with it and not even using the app, and just, you know, cracking jokes. Basically, it's really funny. There's also some talk about the app invading privacy. Some people, I've seen some tweets, I've seen some stuff out there talking about that. Basically, it's because a developer known as Wireless Lab, that's the name of the company that developed the app. They're based out of Russia, and we all know Russia has ties with all this stuff, whatever you guys believe. The app has been around for a couple of years, actually, since 2017, and basically they faced some criticism in the past. I'm not really going to dive into that stuff, but since then they redeveloped the app, obviously relaunched it. Basically, the privacy stuff, I say, hey, it's your choice if you want to download it. You don't have to log into the app in order to use it. You have to give access to your photos like usual. You don't have to log in the Facebook or anything like that. A lot of people are saying that that's what's stealing your privacy. There is a pro version, a premium version that you can pay for. I don't see any reason to do that, but hey, that's on you. You do what you got to do. If you want to stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and how-tos for the best applications for your mobile device, then consider subscribing. Click the bell while you're at it, and check out this playlist right here to catch up with all my videos that I have on the how-tos, the tips, the tricks, best apps. Or you can check out this video right here that YouTube recommends you watch next. And I thank you for watching. Be sure to give this a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.